Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, before we get started, Merry Christmas to all of you who are celebrating Christmas. It is tomorrow if you're watching this on Tuesday, December 24th. Yes, Christmas is the next day. So to those of you celebrating, Merry Christmas. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, a wonderful Christmas with your loved ones and your family and whoever it is you celebrate. And for those of you who don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays to you as well. So I just wanted to get that out. Let me now show you guys the dried results of my last painting. So you can't see a lot of the shimmer because there's no resin on it just yet, but I'm really happy with the way it dried. It is so colorful, especially right here. It is so rainbow-ish. Look how cool that is. That turned out so well. And once this gets resin on it, it is going to pop. So let me put this guy away for now. Let's put him over here just to be safe. All right, so doing another bloom today. I know some of you like them, some of you don't. Some of you want to see me go back to doing blowouts, but I'm having a really good time with the blooms right now. So I'm gonna continue with those for a little while longer. All right, so let me tell you first, Fluid Art Experience. I'll be there March 14th to the 16th in Dallas, Texas. Come and see me. I'm teaching 6 classes in Dallas, Texas, the 14th to the 16th. Come and see me at www.fluidartexperience.com for all the details and to book your tickets. I will be in Montreal here in Canada, April 12th. If you want information on that, email me, kanella@gmail.com. And then if you would like to come and see me in Spokane, Washington, that's happening June 6th to the 9th. So if you want information on that event, there is a website with a link, a website in the description below the video, and you can click on that. All right, colors I'm using today in today's room. This is a 16-inch round. I am using what's called Charming Pink. I thought it was champagne. No, Charming Pink. That is what I am using today. Thought I'd do something different other than the really dark bases that I've been doing. So this is from Sherwin Williams. It's called Color to Go, and it's called Charming Pink. So that is going to be my base. I've got my cell activator here, which is Australian floetrol and Paynes Gray by Amsterdam. I mix it 3 parts floetrol to 1 part paint. Okay, and then I've got all my colors here, but before I forget, if you want to know how I mix my piggies and my paints and everything for the bloom technique, check out my video number 719. I will link it up here at the top. It is a full tutorial on how I get everything ready to do a bloom. All right, so the first color up is Venus by TLP. And again, you can get all your TLP piggies, your Jo Sonia, your Australian floetrol, all from the Fluid Art Co website. Again, in the description below. All right, this is Violet Rain by TLP. Then we have Sangria. Okay. Followed by one of my favorites. Actually, there's a lot of favorites. Who am I kidding? We've got Ball Gown by TLP. There's a lot of TLP in here, people. Now we have Dioxazine Violet by TriArt. It is the only non-TLP color in this whole lineup. So, anywho, then we have Sequins, which looks white but has like a pinky purpley hue to it. So that's Sequins by TLP. Then we have Enchantment. And then topping it off, we have Persephone. That's a Greek word, you know. So Persephone by TLP. Okay, so those are my colors. Let me think. Is there anything else? other than me putting my gloves on. I got my base, I've got my cell activator, I've got my hair dryer plugged in, I've got my straw. No, I think I'm good to go. So I am running a tumbler in the workshop. I've been running tumblers all day. Today, yesterday, the day before. All right, let me flood this and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I put the base down. I covered the sides the best I could. So let's get started with these pretty pinks and purples and whatever it is I have here. So I'm talking to you guys like as if you can answer me. I was gonna say, so who's ready for Christmas? I'm pretty much ready. I have a few last minute things to do, but I'm pretty ready. Kids are excited. Everyone's excited. But yeah, I'm trying to think. I've been messing with the scammers a lot lately still on my Facebook page. If you're on there, I'm sure you're having quite the chuckle with my replies to these scammers who are trying to scam people out of their money. But it's quite fun. If you're not on Facebook, or if you are and you haven't seen them, go check it out because it's really funny. All right, let's see here. Trying to think. Yesterday, actually, we had Christmas family gathering with Anthony's family, and my kids joined for the first time. So they got to meet a lot of Anthony's family, which is crazy because it's been almost 2 years. Oh my gosh. It's been almost 2 years that Anthony and I have been together. Can you believe that? But yeah, time seriously flies by, like big time. But yes, it was the first time my kids got to meet all of Anthony's family. You know, just not because for any reason, but just never had the chance, never got around to it. Timing of things didn't work out. But yeah, we all got together and we had, you know, Christmas gathering and opened some presents. Yes, before Christmas, we opened some presents, is what it is. But yeah, we had such a good time. And then on Boxing Day, we go down to my parents' house and we do family dinner and Christmas with my family. So we'll be doing that on Boxing Day. All right, there's a lot of paint here, which isn't a bad thing because I want to be able to have enough paint on here to blow things out. So we will see how this pans out. I hope it works. Let's see, are there any bubbles? Oops, I need to pop. Yup. Uh-huh. I think that is good for now. All right, so let's get the cell activator. It's perfectly in the center still, which is really good. And got my hair dryer ready to go. Put the cell activator down. Oh, sure, that much? Why not? All right, let's blow it out. One thing I need to remember about the color to go, the dark colors come in a purple label, and the light colors like white, pink, cream come in this green color label. And for some reason, the light colors are a lot thicker than the dark colors, than the tricorn black or the Anchors Away that I use. The light colors are thicker, and I totally forgot that, because normally what Lisa Marvin does is she'll add a little just regular American floetrol into her light colors just to thin it out a little bit. And the second I blew the first petal out, I could see that the pink here was kind of getting like, I wouldn't say chunky, but you could see it was like thick. So I should have probably put some, what's it called? Some floetrol in a, I should have put some of this in a cup and put a little bit of floetrol in it. But I don't think it really is going to be a big deal because this blew out so amazing. I'm going to give it one big puff here in the center with my straw, just to get a few more cells to come out, and here they come. It's so pretty. I love these colors on the little baby pink here on the outside. So actually, what I was thinking is this Sequins, which looks white and has a little bit of a pinkish kind of shimmer to it. I'm wondering if I should do a little border on the outside, like I did with the stuck-up piggies, with Hoity Toity and with Boastful. So I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know. I think I saw Lisa Marvin do this with one of the iridescent ones, iridescent TLPs, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I wanna see, let's see what happens. I'm just gonna do a thin. I think the one time when I did, I think it was Hoity Toity, I did way too much, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to do a little border, little halo border. Okay, so I did the outside. So now I guess we just spin it. Let's, I'm not going to do any squiggles. Let me spin it a few times. I'm going to speed you up for the spinning, and then let's see what happens. I'm done. I love it. I'm so glad I put the ball gown on the outside, even though a lot of it did get pushed off the edges, but there are parts like here closer to me where you can see the ball gown. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love these cells over here too. Oh my gosh. So, I mean, and I'm like tilting it and it's barely moving. It is moving a smidgen in the center, but to me, that is good enough, my friends. So that is it. I am done spinning. I am going to clean this mess up, and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So here we have the finished piece. Look at those cells in the center. I think this turned out really pretty. Interesting on the light colored base. Again, it was a little thicker than normal, but it turned out really well, and there's some really cool cells in the center. So let's turn the lights off and see what kind of shimmer we get. All right, lights are off, flash is on, and there's going to be a lot of shimmer in this painting. Look at that. Lots of shimmer. Let's check out the center, shall we? Look at those cells. It's so pretty. And then here's where I was telling you where I added that ball gown, and then you can see it right there. It's very shimmery. I love it. And there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Do you like this color palette? And what do you think? It is going to be available for purchase once it's dry. So yeah, that's it. Check out all the information for classes and stuff in the description below the video. And again, Merry Christmas to everyone celebrating, and Happy Holidays to all of you. And I'll be back hopefully on my next video, which would be Saturday. But yeah, until then, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.